Hi, this is Mike Voirol. My student ID is 1046828. This is Sheep Brain Dissection Lab Report, 1 August 2017. The only materials that I have is the list. You can see my desk. I've got the sheep brain and the dissection tray. Next, we're going to go over the different parts of the sheep brain. So we'll just start at the top of the list and work our way down. The exterior of the brain, this entire section is a cerebrum. This crease right here is a sulcus. This fold right here is a gyrus. The length here is a longitudinal cerebral fissure. Inside, we've got the midbrain. Right here is the cerebral peduncle. Right here is the superior colliculus, inferior colliculus, pons, medulla oblongata. This section here is the cerebellum. This top section, see on the video, the raised section right there is a vermis. And then there's two lateral hemispheres. One hemisphere, two hemispheres. Next we'll move on to the meninges. You can see right here the top layer of the meninges is the dura mater. Then the next layer is the arachnoid. It's a very fine layer, you can't hardly see it, but you might be able to see the shiny part as I press down there. That's the pia mater. Underneath is the pituitary gland. And we've got we'll move on to the cranial nerves. We've got the olfactory bulbs. The olfactory nerves is located in here. I can't actually see them. Inside here you've got the optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract. All the way up inside here. Right here is the oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal nerve. It's right there. I'm sorry, the trochlear is around here somewhere in this general area. And then the abducens is right here. You can see where I'm pointing. Okay. Now change pages. Next we'll move on to the mid-sagittal section. Right here is the corpus callosum, at the thalamus, the hypothalamus, lateral ventricle, the septum pellucidum, the choroid plexus, at the third ventricle here. The cerebral aqueduct is right here. You can't hardly see it, but it's right there where I'm pointing. The fourth ventricle. So the branch here is the arbor vitae. I'll move on to the spinal cord. I did take a piece of the spinal cord, but it's extremely hard to tell the white matter from the gray matter on here. So I'll use the inside of the spinal cord here. This is your spinal cord from the brain itself. This dark section right here is a gray matter. This section inside here is a white matter. And you cannot see the ventral or the dorsal roots in my specimen.